Hello students, class 9, subject geography, chapter 2, physical features of India. बच्चों फर्स्ट चैप्टर आपने पढ़ा ज्योग्राफी का अबाउट द इंडिया साइज लोकेशन. इन दिस चैप्टर वी रीड अबाउट द फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया. बच्चों बहुत कॉमन सी चीज़ है कि इंडिया, हम जानते हैं कि इंडिया क्या एक वेरी वास्ट कंट्री है एंड इट हैज़, है ना, दैट इज़ अ वेरीड लैंड फॉर्म्स. ओके, सपोजली आपसे मैं पूछूं आप कहाँ रहते हैं, आप कहेंगे कि मैं प्लेन्स में रहता हूँ, तो आप फैमिलियर होंगे अबाउट प्लेन के बारे में, है ना. सपोज आई आस्क यू, यू आर वेयर यू लिव, यू से इन हिली रीजन, ठीक है ना. सपोज यू आर लिव इन द डेजर्टिक रीजन, सपोज यू आर लिव इन द डेजर्ट्स, ठीक है ना. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट लैंड फॉर्म्स, ओके, of our country. The land of India display great physical variation. Geological, the peninsular plateau constitute one of the ancient land masses on the Earth's surface. It was supposed to be one of the most stable land block. The Himalayas and northern plains are the most recent land forms. हम जानते हैं, हम कहते हैं the Himalayas is said to be the young fault mountain. Okay, so these are the whole mountain system of Himalayas represent a very youngful topography with the high peaks, deep valleys and fast flowing rivers. The northern plains are formed of alluvial deposit. The peninsular plateau is composed of igneous and metamorphic rocks with gently rising hills and the wide valleys. In this chapter हम आगे इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं. व्हाट आर द मेजर फिजियोग्राफिक डिवीजन. द फिजिकल फीचर ऑफ इंडिया कैन बी ग्रुप्ड अंडर द फॉलोइंग फिजियोग्राफिक डिवीजन्स. ओके, इनको हमने फॉलोइंग 6 टाइप से डिवाइड किया है. द हिमालयन माउंटेन, द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन, पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू, इंडियन डेजर्ट, कोस्टल प्लेन्स एंड द आइलैंड्स. बच्चों हम फर्स्ट अब देखते हैं द हिमालयन माउंटेन. The Himalayas, geologically young and structurally fault mountain, stretch over the modern northern border of India. These mountain ranges run in west-east direction from Indus to Brahmaputra. ठीक है ना, कहाँ से चलता है ये? It is from Indus to Brahmaputra. The Himalayas represent the loftiest and one of the most rugged mountain barrier of the world. They form an arc which covers a distance of about 2,400 km. Their width varies from 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh. जैसे जैसे आप कश्मीर से अरुणाचल प्रदेश जाएंगे ये कम होती जाती है. The altitudinal variations are greater in the eastern half than those in western half. The Himalayas consist of 3 parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent. Number 2, a number of valleys we are looking, that is about of located, ठीक है ना, between these ranges. The northernmost, okay, what it is, the northernmost country's ranges consist of loftiest peaks with the average height of 600 meters that are in the Himalayas region. It contains all prominent Himalayan peaks. It contains all prominent peaks. Okay. Now, this you are looking a map, Himalayas. It is from the northern part to the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, all these different ranges of Himalayas, okay, peaks of Himalayas, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, ठीक है ना, नमचा, बरचा, बरवा, all this It is also your map work. You are asking to fill into the map. Some IAS speak of Himalayas, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, and Dholagiri. These you are given the name and what their height and which country they are present. The fold of Great Himalayas are asymmetrical in nature. The core of this part of Himalayas is composed of granite. It is perennially show bound and a number of glaciers described from this range. Okay, this is about of you are looking here in this of the different range. Next it is you are looking, that is the range line of the south to the Himadri. Sorry, you are looking this picture, ठीक है ना, and this is all glaciers, Himalayans, ठीक है ना. This also it is your what of map work. You are asking in the map questions. Okay. Now you are looking the next, it is of the Himalayas. The range lying to the south of the Himadri forms the most rugged mountain system is known as Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. The ranges are mainly composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. The altitude varies between 3,700 to 4,500 meters and the average width of 50 kilometers, while the Pir Panjal range forms the longest and most important range. The Dhauladhar, Mahabharata range are also prominent ones. This range consists of the Kullu Valley in famous of the Kashmir, Kangra and Himachal Pradesh, Kullu in Himachal Pradesh. This region is well known for hill stations. The outermost range of Himalayas is Shivalik. They extend over a web of 10 to 50 kilometers and share a altitude varying between 900 and 1100 meters. This range is composed of unconsolidated sediments brought by the rivers from the main Himalayan ranges. Located further the north, this valley are concerned with thick gravel and alluvial soil. The longitudinal valley lying between Lesser Himalaya and the Shivalik are dunes. Dunes like Dehradun, Kaltitun, Patli are some of the well-known dunes. Besides the longitudinal division of Himalayas, they have divided on the basis of region of west to east. These divisions have been demarcated by river valley. For example, the part of Himalaya between Satluj, between the Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalayas, but it is also known traditionally and originally, that is the what of you are looking here, Kashmir and Himachal, Himalaya from west to east respectively. The part of Himalaya lying between Satluj and Kali river is known as Kumayu Himalaya. The Kali and Tesla rivers demarcate the Nepal Himalaya, and the part lying between Tesla and Dihang river is known as Assam Himalaya. There are regional names also taken in the boards. Okay, this is about of their regional name also in the board. Here you are categorized, find out some regional names of Himalaya. The Brahmaputra marks the easternmost boundary of the Himalayas. Beyond the Dihang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of India. They are known as Purvanchal or eastern hills and mountains. These hills running through the northeastern states are mostly sedimentary rocks covered with the dense forest. They mostly run as parallel ranges and valleys. The Purvanchals comprises the Patkai Hills, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills and Majau है ना, Majo Hills. This is, you are looking a picture of Majo Hills. So this is all for today, the physical divisions of India about the Himalayas. Okay, the three ranges of Himalayas, Himachal, Himadri and Shivalik, you should learn, ठीक है ना, very nicely. Thank you all for today.